This BMW R47 is a timeless piece of engineering, meticulously restored to its original glory, a true collector's dream.
The 2026 BMW R47 carries forward BMW Motorrad's legendary heritage, but it does so with a fresh, modern spirit. It's a retro-inspired roadster that feels timeless at first glance, yet unmistakably engineered for today's rider. Engine and performance. At the heart of the R47 sits a 470 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled boxer twin. It delivers smooth, usable torque and confident acceleration right where you need it most. The engine is tuned for a strong mid-range punch, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch that keeps downshifts controlled and refined. With ride-by-wire throttle response, every twist feels precise, natural, and connected. Design and build. The R47 features a clean, minimalist steel frame, a classic round LED headlamp, a sculpted fuel tank, and subtle brushed aluminum accents. Its upright riding position, wide handlebar, and well-balanced wheelbase create a sense of comfort and control, whether you're commuting through the city or heading out for a relaxed weekend ride. Technology. A full-color TFT display keeps everything within easy view, offering navigation, smartphone connectivity, and multiple riding modes. Standard ABS Pro, traction control, and adjustable suspension work seamlessly together to enhance safety, confidence, and overall stability. Comfort and practicality. Heated grips add comfort on colder days, while the optional quick shifter and accessory luggage expand the bike's versatility. The seat height is thoughtfully designed to accommodate a wide range of riders. Pricing and availability. The 2026 BMW R47 is expected to launch globally in late 2026, appealing to riders who want classic styling without sacrificing modern performance. Stay tuned to the Auto Explorer for more updates.